Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Esther. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video today. So I am at the Walgreens. I have one of my accounts got a spend 40 to get back 10 this week. My other ones are spend 75 to get back 15. So I'm gonna start with the smallest one today, and then hopefully if I make it back to the store and do a video, I will let you guys know. But I'm gonna go ahead and start here with the soft soap. They are on sale for buy two to get back $2 in register rewards, and they are $6. We do have a 5 off of 2 5 off of 2 digital. Oh my gosh, get that for me, honey. We do have a 5 off of 2, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. I was also planning to grab some of the Nivea today, but there's only one of the men's. They are still on promotion for buy 3 to get back 5. I think I might save this deal to do it later in the week with the larger transactions, so that I can use rewards and get rewards back. Another great deal I'm looking forward to doing is on the Native. They are on promotion this week for buy 2 to get back $4 and register rewards, but I don't think I'm gonna grab it yet. I did see some coupons. I'm not sure if they were only for the deodorant or for the Native products. All right guys, I was gonna do the Gillette deal and Venice, but these are $9.49. There's also the men's that are $11.49. So I thought I could grab 2 of these because we have a 6 off of 2 digital, and then there's a $4 digital on the men's, but that's gonna take me over to $25. And after the coupons, I'm gonna be right at 15. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up 2 of these at $9.49 because it comes out to $14 and some change. And then I'm gonna add one of these shaving cream. There's no coupons for these, but they are part of the promotion. So I'm gonna add, I'm gonna grab 2 of the same just for the sake of the coupon. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the other deal that I was gonna do for the 15, spend 75. So I'll show you guys that as well. So here in the hair care aisle, there is tons of clearance products. Like, look at this Nexus. If that's your thing, check it out. There's a ton of these stuff here on clearance. But we do have the Tresemme. They're not tagged here in the store. They are $12. I'm sorry, $6. And then when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $2 in register rewards. And we do have a $5 digital coupon for these 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of these. This is gonna go, Jesus. This is gonna go on the larger transaction. And I'm just gonna go ahead and knock it out since I'm here. And then we also have a separate $5 for the stylers that you can use as well. But I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with these products right here. And I think, yeah, there are some deals as well on the Pantene, but I'm gonna skip on that. It's gonna come out to over $2 a piece, and it's just not worth it for me right now. I've been eyeing this Maui product. They've been here on clearance. I'm still waiting for them to go down because I actually want this product here, but I'm just not willing to pay $8 for it, and there's no coupons in the app for that right now. If you didn't use your Colgate coupon last week, you can actually go ahead and use it this week. Same promotion. They are on sale by $4 buy 4, and then you're gonna get back $3 in register rewards. I used mine last week. There is a $3 coupon for the toothpaste, but they are $5 over there, so I don't think I'm gonna pick this up. And this promotion is actually back for $6 for when you spend 14. You're gonna get back $7 in register rewards for these products. And there are some other products who are included in these deals, so if you're looking to pick up some of these as well. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the promotion here for $5 on the Crest for when you buy 3 to get back the $5. I'm gonna pick up a toothbrush, a toothpaste, and a floss, and put those $2 coupons to use since I used my $5 last week. The store here is all out of the floss. I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up one of the mouthwash. These are $5.50 and there's a $1 digital coupon for this. So this is everything I have for the first transaction. I'm gonna add the Nivea Women's, which is what they have to this. That's gonna take me over to $63 and some change. I'm gonna use 20 in Walgreens cash, so I'll be down to 40. I'll have $6 digital coupon coming up here of the Venus, $5 here. I do have a $3 off of this my gosh, toothbrush, so it'll balance out this as well here, so a total of $6 coming off, and then $7 for the Nivea. So after everything, I'll pay about $19 and some change. I'm gonna roll some register rewards, and then I'll get back the $20 for spending $25 6 times. I get $5 back for the Nivea and $10 for spending 40, $2 here, $5 here, and $5 coming off here. So we'll check out, I'll show you guys that transaction. And in the meantime, for the bigger transaction, I'm gonna pick up 2 of these as I showed you guys, the more expensive Gillette. Here I'm gonna do the Tresemme. I'm gonna repeat this transaction here as well. I'm gonna add the Nivea, and then the last thing I'm gonna add is the buy 4 to get back 5. So we have Tide, Gain products are included, Bounce, these items. So I'm just gonna pick up 4 of them. The promotion this week is buy 4, and then you're gonna get back $4 in register rewards, and we do have coupons for these products if you didn't use them last week. So I'm gonna scan to see what I still have and what I'm gonna pick up. So I had a complete switch up of this transaction. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna throw the Dove in here. These are $10 on promotion. Let me double check that they are still on sale. Yep, $10, get $3 when you buy 2 with the $6 digital coupon. And we do have fetch rebates. All right guys, so here is my first receipt. This has the Venus and with the Gillette for me. So that was the spend 40 to get back $10 in Walgreens cash. And as I stated, I was I was working towards finishing it up on this account. So here we go. $9.49 and $4.74. So the Gillette for me did ring up full price at $3.49. I got the Crest Scope for $5.50. The Nivea products, so 3 of them here at $6 each. The Soft Soap, the Crest toothbrush, and the toothpaste, the Gillette Foamy. All right, so these were register rewards that I used. So I used the $15 worth. And then these were the Nivea coupons, the $6 of the Venus, $5 off. What was the $5 off of? You know, $5 off 2 of the soft soap. Did I skip over the soft soap? I think I did. Yeah, so I did skip over the soft soap. So $5 for the soft soap. $4 off of, at this point, I'm not even keeping track. I don't know. $2 and $1. So I think these were for the Crest products. All right. And then my out-of-pocket was $23.22 with tax 26. Used 20 in Walgreens cash. And then let me show you guys what I earned. All right, so as you guys can see, I used $20 in Walgreens cash, and I got back $25 in Walgreens cash. So it would have been $10 for spending 40, $10 for spending $25 4 times, and $5 for the Nivea, giving me back a total of $25. So I started with 50 and used 20 in Walgreens cash and ended up with $56. So the cool thing was I actually on this account, on this purchase, I only spent about $6 out of pocket, including the taxes. So let me show you guys the other receipt. Let me show you guys the other receipt. All right guys, so this was the larger transaction that I did, which I did spend a whole lot out of pocket, but this is gonna count towards one trip. All right, so here's the Gillette. This is the more expensive one and the half of the other one. And as you can see, that last Gillette Venice would have ring up at full price at $9.49. And had I, well, no, the $6 coupon wouldn't have come off. All right. And then here is the Nivea products. So 3 of them. Here is the Tresemme for $12. Here is the Dove. So I don't know if I showed you guys this in store, but I ended up grabbing the Dove. They were $10 a piece. Buy 2, you get back $3 in Walgreens cash. So that was, I added that in because we had a $6 coupon, and we have Fetch rebates. I think I ended up getting back $5 from Fetch. I'll put it up on the screen. And the Downy Unstoppable. So these were the Tide products. I ended up doing all Tide because that's what I had coupons for. All right, buy 4, get back 4. Downy here. And then here is the other Venus product. I did have a paper booster that at a different store. The cashier was nice enough to give it to me. All right, register rewards. I used the $2 that I got from the Nivea. From the soft soap, $5 from the Crest, and $5 from the Gillette. So I just rolled what I earned here. Here is the $7 for the Nivea digital coupon. So we had $6 for the soft soap, $6 of the Dove, $5 of the Tresemme, $5 off of the Tresemme, $4, yeah, I can't remember. Oh, of the other Gillette product, $1.50, $1, I am missing $1 here from the Tide products. All right, so my subtotal actually was over $104. I did use 20 in Walgreens cash, so that brought it down to $40. You guys, look how much I had to pay in taxes. $6.35. Isn't that crazy? All right, so with that, I paid $40 out of pocket. And then I think I was trying to look at here to see what I saved. So I saved $73, which is good. It didn't show me what I got back. I'm going to just put the receipt up so you guys can see it. But I did look in the app. I got back $28 in Walgreens cash. So I got $15 for spending $75. $5 for the Nivea. That's $20. $5 for the paper booster, which I show you guys down here. And then I got $3 for buying 2 of the Dove products. And so that gave me back a total of $28 after I spent what? I spent the $40 out of pocket. And then I did get back $5 from Fetch. And I don't think there was anything else that I got points for. If you guys have not completed the rebates from the P&G website, I believe Tide is one of the qualifying products. I've been submitting it for the gain, so make sure you do that. And then I'm going to show you guys the register rewards that I got back. All right, so for register rewards on this deal, I got back $5 for the P&G. What is that? Oh, this is for the Venus and the Gillette. $4 for buying 4 of the products. Of the Tide products, and then $2 for the Unilever. That would have been for the Tresemme products. And then I did get back the $3 for the Dove. So this is all I've got for you guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Hopefully that was not too confusing on the spin deal. So you definitely want to build your transactions up. I think I don't even know how much I had in coupons, but I basically went from $73 to about $40, so about $30 I had in coupons. But I got more products with doing it by building up my transactions. So hopefully that does make sense to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I would love to have you guys here. And then let me know if you have any questions below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.